Hey there, I'm Eddie O'Donnell here at Snowjo, and today we're going to be unboxing this 13 amp electric pressure washer, the Sunjo SPX3000-XT1. So let's dive right in. Time to start throwing this thing together. Take the top handle here, slide it on to the front here, and then 4 of those screws just get put in the back here. Front here, we'll just gotta put the side in first. So now that the main body of the unit's been assembled, we can take a look at assembling the trigger unit. But with this comes a few different options. First is your standard wand. This just threads on to the front here. The front of the trigger unit spins. At the tip of this, you've got a quick connect, and that'll take any of the 4 colored nozzles that come with the unit, or the foamer attachment can also snap into this quick connect. All you have to do to put something on is push, and to take it off, just pull the little sleeve back. The other option for the trigger unit, instead of the wand, is an adapter. This just threads on the same way the wand did. With this adapter attached, we can now plug in a couple of the accessories that come with the unit. Here we've got the rim and wheel brush, and all we have to do is push that in and turn it to lock it in. The same goes for the utility brush. So now we've got to attach these two together, and it's pretty simple. All you got to do is take the hose that came in the box, thread one side into the back of the machine, and take the other end and thread it into the bottom of the trigger unit. Right here, we'll attach our garden hose. And turning it on is just as simple as this. And now that the unit's fully assembled, you're ready to name it, aim it, and grime is gone.